So I got to know about CLRI by online searching, where I did my MSc in Biotechnology, where I was so interested in research and analysis. So I thought where I can do a complete separate course where I can specialize in them. So while searching for that, I came to know about CLRI, where they are providing a 6-month course in clinical research. So then I visited my nearby branch in Chennai, CLRI. So then I talked to Silambarasan sir. So he told me what all will be covered and how I will be taken through this journey and how it will help me to my future placements and opportunities. So he said there will be guidance for placement, and he also shared the JD of the course. So then I went through it. I was so interested, and I thought, okay, I will do this course of 6 months. So I joined in April, and each month there was different modules, and I got to know different fields which I don't know, like pharmacology. I'm not in that field, but I got to know how all it is connecting with the clinical research. So it was so nice, and the one session which helped me so much is PMP session. By that PMP section, I got to improve my technical and non-technical skills. So I also need to thank Priyanka ma'am. She taught me PMP session. So the overall experience was so good. It was very nice.
That's great. Thank you so much, Shakti. It was your effort as well. I'm sure you have actually put in a lot of effort. You have attended the sessions, you would have given assessments, and in PMP also. Then there are mocks also,
Yes, ma'am.
resume building exercises also. You have taken everything very, very seriously, and hence you are where you are. This is just the start of your career,
That's
and
true.
you have really, really great heights to achieve in future. Shakti, have you already joined the company, or the offer letter has been rolled out?
Yes,
How's
offer
this?
letter. Yes, ma'am. It came on 19th September. They said the first day is October 6th,
Wow.
and prior to 5 days, they will send the welcome letter and like time of reporting. That all they said they will send, ma'am.
Are you happy? Are you satisfied?
I'm
Are you
satisfied.
excited? Are
I'm
you
excited
excited?
because I'm a fresher and I need to explore things. Then only I can see which will suit me and how I can build my career in this path of
Right.
clinical research. So I'm very excited.
Great. Thank you so
Yes,
much, Shakti,
yes,
for
thank
kind
you.
words and
Yes,
putting a lot of effort. 6 months
yes,
you have the job in hand,
yes,
and also Shakti, in future, in case if you need any help, we are always there to guide you.
sure, sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Thank you
Yes,
so
thank you so much, ma'am. Yes.
much.